Today we're going to be replacing the mower drive belt and leveling the mower deck of this Craftsman LT1000. This is from 2003, 17.5 horsepower, great mower. Should be a pretty quick install. This pin was missing. I have to pick up another one, and I just used a nail to hold it in place for now. Mower deck is off. We just need to remove the belt from the main crank, the main shaft, which is very easy to do, especially because this belt is a bit worn. All right, it's off. So now we can pull the mower deck out of the right side, and it's easiest to come out and kind of towards the front. Ordered a new belt online, and the Craftsman part number is 144959. Let's hope it fits. Here's our new belt. Let's take the old one off first. It should be pretty easy since everything is loose. There we go. We got some cracking in the belt. That's probably not good. 1/2 inch by 95 inches. And that's it. Leveling the mower deck is pretty easy. Manual has all the information. So first thing we're going to do is do some side-to-side adjustment. So you measure the midpoint of the mower deck. So here, and the same on the opposite side, underneath the guard and the deflector. And that has to be within 1/4 inch of each other. We have to first move this to its highest position. Highest position. We are 2 7/8. over here. And we are way out of whack here. We are 3.5. Whoa. To lower this on this suspension arm here, those are the pins we pulled, and there's a pin right back here. We're going to loosen this nut, and that will lower this side. Every full turn of the nut, the manual says lowers the deck by 1/8 of an inch. So I'm gonna see if I can lower this quite a bit. Give myself some more space. Oh, actually now I can. Okay, I'm going to just remeasure, and when measuring we have to do it at its highest. At about 3 1/8. I'm just going to check this side to see if that changed anything. Oh, we're just under 3 1/8. Good. For the next step, it's front to back adjustment. So we're going to check the front, the leading edge of the mower deck, and then we're going to compare it to the trailing edge of the mower deck on both sides. That's here labeled D, distance D. And we also need to make sure that the front links that go from the front of the mower to the front of the mower deck, these are the links. They are adjustable with these nuts here. We'll make sure that those are at the same length, and if so, we want the front edge of the mower deck to be 1/8 to 1/2 an inch lower in the front than the rear. And once we're there, we're good to go. Three and 3/8. And 3 3/8. I think I'm going to lower the front edge of this side just a little bit. And to do so, I'm going to change the length of the front link on this side. More, so. Okay, load a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to double check some measurements, but I think we're good to go. I think we've got some pretty good leveling going on. It's not that hard. Just follow the instructions. The new belt is on. The deck is more level than it was before, which is good. Now it's time to mow. If I can fix it, so can you.